Hello everyone, welcome to BOBO. We specialize in manufacturing and exporting pipe processing equipment, serving over 80 countries worldwide. Today we're introducing our 3D pipe bending machine suitable for multiple industries. This equipment features an integrated body design, offering a compact footprint and robust construction. The front-end pipe bending head, feed mechanism, and rotary device work in concert to perform multi-angle, multi-plane pipe bending operations. The control system features touchscreen operation with an intuitive interface, allowing easy input of pipe dimensions and bending angles. It supports storing multiple programs, enabling one-touch recall of frequently used processing data, making it easy for beginners to get started quickly. Whether it's copper tubes for air conditioner heat exchangers, automotive exhaust pipes, or metal components for furniture, this machine handles them all. It supports various materials including copper, aluminum, and stainless steel, producing smooth bends with excellent forming results. The equipment operates stably, producing smooth and rounded pipe bends with a flat surface finish. Supporting multiple specifications and process requirements, it enables efficient operation of a single production line to meet diverse order demands. BOBO 3D Pipe Bender. Flexible, reliable, and easy to use. Contact us to learn more about our products and application solutions.